A report released by the Chinese embassy in Bangladesh has shown that Chinese enterprises in Bangladesh have so far provided approximately 550,000 employment opportunities in the South Asian country, greatly boosting employment among locals. The Social Responsibility Report of the Chinese enterprises in Bangladesh, launched in Dhaka on Sunday, showed that there are 27 Chinese projects in the field of electric power and energy, ensuring that Bangladesh's energy mix is diversified, in addition to 12 highways, 21 bridges, and 7 railway lines built by Chinese companies in Bangladesh. Chinese enterprises also took part in various projects, such as sewage treatment, river training, surface water treatment, and campus development, which significantly helped to improve social development and people's livelihood. Tipu Munshi, the Bangladeshi Commerce Minister, attended the launching ceremony of the report on Sunday. Munshi applauded Chinese enterprises' important role in Bangladeshi development and China's support towards Bangladesh's infrastructure development, especially providing lots of employment.